He's up over on that ridge up there. Our pond's down there.
There's 2 rabbits in the path.
Yep. Yeah, since we left these fields for the past few years, since they're not pasture anymore, we now have bunny rabbits. I haven't seen bunny rabbits around here for, I don't know, years. Because everyone mows their grass like golf course or golf fields. I don't play golf, but I mowed the path like that, and the bunny rabbits like it. But they gotta have cover. There's no more grouse here; they're gone. Coyotes, bobcat, who knows? No more turkey. Very few turkey. Too many predators. I don't know. But that's some of our property, and
Zoom back out.
I kind of messed that whole video up, Nick.
No, right.
Yeah, everything's too close. That's why I wasn't getting a good view.
It was just right there when you did it.
Cool. I'm new at all this. More alamalo. Like I said, it'll take over. We got hickory trees. This is kind of our oak grove. Cut all the junk trees out, and now we have nothing but oak. There's a cherry tree. Another 50 years, our grandkids might be able to cut them down and make some money. That's what we're doing now. Instead of having cattle and stuff, we'll do trees. Kids got a zip line. It's a lot of fun. Got trampoline, basketball, an old boat that they play in. No one's played in it for years. A playhouse, swing set. We got an old sawmill here. Not an old one, but sawmill. And then we have our scrap pile. You never know. Firewood and some black walnut I'm going to cut up on the sawmill. Yeah, it's just